Good morning, my friends. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Fakebook, which is the website we're going to use to create our social media page for our emperor that we chose. So what you're going to do, I'll post a link on Google Classroom, but what you're going to do is type in Fakebook into your Google Chrome. Okay, I already clicked on it before, so mine is coming up right away, but yours might not. So just go Fakebook and then press enter on your keyboard. Okay, it's called www.classtools.net and Fakebook. So you're going to click on it. Okay, and this is what's going to come up. So what you're going to do is you're going to start adding your information. So you have born here, so you're going to highlight this and delete it, and then put whenever your emperor was born. And then you're going to press enter. So I'm just going to put in a random day. It's my birthday. Then you're going to press enter on your keyboard, and then you're going to type in death day. And this is when your emperor died. Then you're going to add in your family members. Like I said, you only needed like 2 or 3. So I'm just going to put a couple of mine. Okay. Then you're going to take your mouse and you're going to highlight this and delete it. And this is where you can add some of your other information. So maybe if you found out where your emperor was born, you could put that in. So I'm going to put mine in. And then you're going to press enter. You can add maybe their education, their skills, whatever you want to add into the about area. Maybe their occupation. You can put Emperor of Rome. Okay, education, whatever you found on your education for your emperor. You could put studied Latin and Greek. Skills, maybe you could put like military skills, reading, whatever. Okay, then you can put your emperor's name here. So you can click on that said name and then erase and put your emperor's name. All right, so then this is the fun part. So this is where you're going to add posts. So I want you guys to be creative with it. So all your information that you have on your graphic organizer, I want you to be creative. So for example, I'm going to pull up my Fakebook account that I had. And I'm just going to go over those examples with you. Actually, wait a second. All right, so let me click on mine. All right, so this was mine, Tiberius. So I'll show you guys how to put the pictures in and everything. But these are the statuses that I came up with. So notice how I am pretending to be this person. So as Tiberius, I wrote, I can't believe I was killed by my 2 friends, Caligula and Macro. They smothered me with blankets in my sleep. So this is how he died, and this was part of our graphic organizer. So then this part, I put another status that says, Augustus passed away today. That means I will be the emperor of Rome. Although he did not think I am qualified, I am the last of his family in the line for the throne, so I inherit it automatically. So this had to do with the part on our graphic organizer that said, how did this person rise to power and become the emperor? So Tiberius, the person that I chose, rose to power and became emperor because Augustus was his stepdad and Augustus passed away. All right, and then these are some of the achievements that my emperor had throughout his time. So he says, I hope I am making Augustus proud. So far during my reign, I have balanced the budget, achieved military success against Germanic tribes, and kept Rome from descending back into civil war. Those are just a few of my achievements. I am sure I will achieve more as I keep ruling. Okay, this was a skill or a fun fact that I had about him. Everyone says I have a great reputation as military leader, and then this was another part of his rule that I put down in here. How dare somebody tell me that I am not a good leader? I will now show them what I am made of. I will target the senators. This is going to be the reign of terror. So when I was researching Tiberius, it said that first his rule was really good, and then he turned violent because people were saying that he wasn't a good leader, and so he killed a bunch of senators. So I made that into this type of status. So do you see how here I'm being creative with my statuses and I'm pretending that I am this person? So I'm writing in the first person, pretty much. So that's what you're going to do. And then this is my born, death, hometown, family, skills, and education. All right, so let's go back to the screen. So this is yours. So if you want to add an image, you're going to have to press save first. So press save here, this big yellow button that says save. Okay, we have to add some posts. Okay, so let's add some posts. So I'll put Danielle in the name, and this says earlier today. So write your post here. So let's see. So then I can period and then press post. And if you want to add a picture, you can, but you have to go into the internet and save the picture to your computer before you post a picture. So I'll explain that when we get to the person's profile picture. So let's do 3 posts. Every time you have to put the name in also. So let's see. I love teaching social studies. Okay. And then let's do another one. My students are the best. Post. All right, so now I have 3 posts on here, and I think that I can press save. So you're going to want to do this after you have your 3 posts so that nothing gets deleted. So you're going to press save, this yellow button, and then you need to create a password so that you can edit this template later on. So if you don't finish this in school today, then you can go home and finish it. It's going to be due on Wednesday. So you need to come up with a password that A, you're going to remember, and 2, maybe one that you use often. So I'm just going to make it my name. You can even make it your name if you want to. Then you're going to press OK. And then you need to provide an email. So here you're going to provide your Mount Sinai email. So yours would be the first 2 letters of your first name and your last name, and then at mountsinai.k12.ny.us. Okay, then you're going to press OK. All right, and then this is the link that you're going to use to continue editing it. So I would press copy, and I would put it somewhere in a Word document or maybe on a Google Docs, anything. Okay, and then you're going to press paste, and you can get back to it. All right, and then to add a picture now, you're going to have to put your password in again. So I just made mine my name. Okay, and then you can go in and put any picture that you want to. Okay, so you have to go in and save your pictures in the internet. So if you're looking for a picture of Caligula, you're going to type in Caligula, go to images, and save your picture to your desktop. So save image as, and then Caligula. Okay, and then you can go on here and you can go to pictures or social studies, I have it in, and put Caligula in there. And then it will come up on here. You can also do cover photo if you want to. If you find a cool picture on the internet, maybe of Rome, that'd be cool. All right, so here's the friends area. So for the friends area, you can type in names of other emperors. So I'm going to put in Constantine the First. And a picture of him comes up. I'm going to put in Diocletian. And that's not a picture of Diocletian, but you can go back and change it. Let's see. Let's do Julius Caesar. So you can add in friends if you want to, maybe some of their family members. Pretty cool. All right, and then when you're done, you're going to press save completely. So save it again. And then you're going to press share in the top right corner and click on URL link / embed code. All right, and then this is the URL link that you're going to copy. And then you're going to go into Google Classroom, and I'm going to have a place probably under materials. So you'd go to classwork, and then it will be somewhere around here. And you're going to post your link in the comments so that I can look at your class tools page. All right, if you guys have any questions about that at all while you're at home, if you don't finish it today in school, let me know, and I will help you guys with that. All right, see you later.